Bururi ugikungwira muthi wa ugitiri wa arwaru, maitho ma ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri mamurikite ugitiri urutitio gitina gia kurumbuia arigitani na atungati a arwaru aya aria makoragwo muraini-ini wa mbere rugendo-ini rwa murwaru kwamukira motungata ma urigiti.
We would like to remind you all that a safe health worker means a safe patient.
Ihinda riri bururi ukoretwo uking'ethanira na murimu wa COVID-19, atungati arwaru makoretwo makuriirwo maitho ni ugwati wa kunyitwo ni murimu uyu na mwao aria mari ithabu-ini ria arwaru a COVID-19 bururi-ini ona ni matete mioyo yao.
To date, since the beginning of the pandemic, a total of 945 healthcare workers have been infected with the virus, whereas 16 of these have succumbed to the virus across 35 counties in the country.
Our focus for now should be on infection prevention control and the public health social measures, including avoiding gatherings and ensuring that we maintain physical and social distance.
Ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri rukiambiriria gwicurania uria rungihorohia ndũgamano gatagati ka arigiti aya na mandiki hatari kugia gatithio muheanire-ini wa motungata mathibitari-ini.
This morning we've had discussions with various county governors who have actually impressed upon us the need to ensure that there's continuity of essential health services. But I can give you assurances from the discussions we've had in the morning, hospitals are operating, that service is available for you. And then most importantly, our leaders continue to debate and come out with a solution for the current standoff.
Naguo muigana wa aria mari na COVID-19 wongererekete na arwaru angi 183 ithimi-ini 4,188 iria itabanitio mathaa 24 mahituku, aria mahonete makiongerera na 82, riri na waria matoretio ni murimu mongererekete na 5, ithabu riao rigikinyiria andu 642. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngige Wanyamu.